Hello everyone, this is the Traveling Tacos again. If you're following along, this is day 2 with our drone. We are out at William F Hayden Park in Lakewood, Colorado, not too far outside of Denver. We're gonna get a little mountain action today and see how our drone handles just a touch of wind. We haven't tested this out yet. Gonna walk along the trail and see some good views. okay, we recorded until the battery died on us and it started to return home. Another really successful day of flying. This time I didn't stand here and direct John any, so I'm excited to see how the footage looks. Did a little trail tracing kinda. Followed me along through the mountains and everything. Last time when we watched our videos back, we noticed that you could see the blades a little bit in some of the videos, so we're kind of hoping we fix that. We realize this when we make the drone jolt or go a little too fast. When it tilts down, you can see the blades in it. So I'm hoping we worked on that, worked on a little smoothness, but I'm excited. John, do you want to comment anything? Say how it went?
I think it went well.
Man of many words.